welcome back. So
yes, so you guys, we just did our makeup and everything that you saw.
Breakfast,
and, yes,
like woke up, made our bed and did our makeup, and
so,
now
yes. So now it's turn for us to do things that we really do in our daily life.
We should do something really productive
today,
like,
so
yes,
we'll see what happens in our daily life, and we're gonna show you guys what is going on
in our daily life. So yes.
And other things are that we are thinking of doing a little like plan with us kind of thingy right now. So because of all this stuff, we are not planning our videos these days, and that is why we are missing our uploads. So we don't want that.
Plan our videos, because like planning is a good thing, and for a person who has like anxiety and stuff like that, definitely recommend to
plan everything.
So, yes,
I cannot hold this DSLR anymore because my hands are dying, but like still I'm gonna
bye and peace out for now.
right now, but like still we wanted to chit chat with you guys because we have realized that we haven't done anything like this before, and so yes, we are going to be doing a chit chat with us. Most of you guys can't even understand us because like so her sentences and my sentences just literally clashes up
because we speak at the same time,
so you guys cannot like understand what we're trying to say, and I don't even know what to do about that. So otherwise we have to talk to you guys about some stuff, which is like our planning to film some videos and what do you guys want to see. And yes, like our channel is all about like
lifestyle and
DIY videos, so it is not only about DIY as we just named that channel, like we named our channel DIY Twins. That does not mean we are only going to be making DIY videos and not some other videos. So this is a channel all about lifestyle videos
and DIY videos at the same time.
We personally love doing DIY videos, so that is why we named our channel. So this channel is all about the things that we love to watch and we love to make too. So yes,
we are gonna do everything that we can in this channel to entertain you guys. And yes,
although let's talk about YouTube algorithm, because like YouTube algorithm is really weird for new people to come out. So we'll try to make videos really consistently, and I don't even know YouTube algorithm because
okay, so let's talk about it right now. So the thing is that before YouTube we started doing YouTube, we watched YouTube and we just like watched the famous YouTubers or like some underrated YouTubers. We didn't watch like a lot of underrated YouTubers because we didn't knew about them at that time. But like now that we have started our channel, we are finding so much more new YouTubers, and they are all so talented, and we really watch a lot of underrated people right now.
So yes, that is a really bad thing. Like we cannot understand YouTube algorithm, and how can we understand YouTube algorithm when we can't understand ourselves?
Yes,
so how can you just expect us to understand YouTube's algorithm? So we'll just keep making some videos, and I don't know when we'll blow up. So but yes, that is all we wanted to say about YouTube algorithm. And now let's talk about like back to school and stuff like that. So yes, it is really difficult to like start schools as we were like in quarantine living our life, and we are like literally used to live like this. So now we are like, if we talk about like going outside, it just feels weird. It just feels weird. I mean, I don't even know like it is with us or it is with some of you guys too, but like we feel weird to go outside
in public especially. So yes,
and especially the lighting is changing because like the clouds are coming, so welcome clouds.
Hi there. So yes, we are personally really introvert people, and we don't like to interact with other people that much. So like talking to camera is very easy for us.
Unknown and like different people, we just like don't get them.
Yes. We'll do Q&A video on 1K.
Yes, and I don't even know when we'll hit 1K, but like probably this month we'll like hit 1K. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to our channel.
So guys, that was it like for this session of chit chat with us. Like we'll try to find some more content for you guys, and we are thinking to paint and yes, like wish us luck. That will be an exciting thing to do because yes, we're gonna paint. So when we're gonna paint, we'll just like make some montages and show you guys what we are doing. So yes. Peace for now. So yes, we'll scroll through the Pinterest and yes, we'll see what we find through paint. So guys, we are back, and after scrolling through the Pinterest, we have found like this picture. And yes, this is how it looks like, and we really like this one, and we are thinking to paint this one. Okay, I have lots of like options, but yes, we don't even know what we should paint because like we haven't painted any girl's face yet, so we are thinking to paint this one. So I think we might paint the girl or this one. We'll try the girl one, and if it like doesn't go right, fail making that, we'll definitely make like this illustration, which is like this one. So okay, so yes, decided. Let's just start now. So yes, see you guys. So we are thinking to paint this girl onto this canvas. We haven't painted like a girl or this kind of stuff on our sketchbook. Like, let me show you guys our previous painting. So this is how our like water lilies looks like, and we have painted them, and the previous painting was this one, and we have painted like this, and there is an incomplete one, and then we have painted like the scenery. So basically we are good at like landscapes. We haven't tried a girl face yet, and we'll try it right now. So I don't even know how it will turn out, so let's just see.
She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, so we did some painting, and after that we went to do our lunch because like we were hungry, and yes, we needed that. So and this is how it looks like, and you guys can see the details, but like mom helped us a little with these like details and all the stuff. So yes, shout out to her. And we are going to be completing this painting, and then let's see what we do, because like our go-to things are just use our phone and sometimes do this kind of painting, edit, film, and like simply this is our routine, and watch Netflix. So let's see what we do and how the work, and let's see how the work painting goes. So peace out for now.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
So guys, let me show you guys the finished product. Like my hands are full messy, but this is how the painting turned out. You guys can see how beautiful it looks, and we are going to be like, what can you say, like untaping it off, and you guys can see how it turned out, like the details and everything like that. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see a little more better. So this is how the girl looks like and the background. So yes, I'm pretty good. We are really proud, and yes,
So guys, our room is a big mess right now. As you guys can see, everything is just out of place, scattered. I don't even know what to do, so I think we might just clean that off, and that is what our day is about. So just let's clean this off.
Lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks.
So guys, we finished painting and now we are like so tired. And yes, our back hurts, our neck hurts, yes, and we have to like literally sleep and take rest, not sleep. So yes, we are going to be resting for a while, and we'll catch you guys later on. And yes, we have to rest, and our battery is going dead too, so we're gonna charge our battery. Hey guys, so yes, we are back and we are here to give you guys an update that what has happened. It is much later now. It is like probably, what's the time? I don't even know, but it is much later. So yes, we just did our dinner right now, and we were like, we should update you guys. Yes, so sorry for not updating you guys. So guys, we are about to start our Craftopia second last episode, and the whole season was like amazing. The set was like perfect. Yes, it was so good that we really wanted to. And the kids were also really crafty and like intelligent. Yes. So yes, comment down below if you have watched the whole season of Craftopia, and how do you like it.
And tools with sharp blades are very dangerous. Only to be used with a parent's help and supervision. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and welcome to Craftopia. 3 creative kids.
Hey guys, so we finished our episode. It was great, and now we are thinking that we should just wash our face and go to sleep, because like we have nothing to watch, like some Netflix or like some YouTube, because we haven't watched YouTube because of the filming all day. So yes, we're gonna watch that and probably review the footage too. So we have to like do a lot of stuff, and we'll do that. And yes, that was it for the video, because we don't do any skincare and all the stuff, so we don't have anything to show you guys, like the skincare routine and everything like that. So yes, that was our day. Thank you all so much for spending the day with us, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this, and give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on. You know the drill, what you should do and what you have to do. So yes, without anything, so let's go. And my hand is dying. So that was it, and peace out for now.